EmbryoGlue has been developed by VitroLife to assist the embryo during the crucial period from transfer to implantation. The embryo is expelled from the catheter into the uterine cavity, together with a small volume of EmbryoGlue. The EmbryoGlue coats the complete embryo surface. The viscous EmbryoGlue solution readily diffuses with the viscous uterine secretion and brings the embryo into close contact with the endometrium. Although the similarity in composition between EmbryoGlue and uterine secretion partly explains the improved implantation rates clinically demonstrated with EmbryoGlue, viscosity cannot be the only important factor. For example, when human placental collagen is included in transfer solution to increase viscosity, there is no beneficial effect on implantation. Rather, the high levels of hyaluronan in the EmbryoGlue make the contents of the transfer medium mixable with the uterine fluid, thereby enabling the embryo to stay within the uterine lumen. Once embedded in uterine secretion, the embryo tumbles around until it is ready to hatch. As the embryo hatches, it increases in diameter about 4 to 5 times. The hatched embryo exposes receptors and continues to tumble around in search of a pinapode-rich surface on the endometrium to which the receptors can adhere. Pinapodes are obtrusions from the endometrium, selectively present during the receptive phase, and they facilitate interaction between other embryo and endometrium molecules. The embryo also expresses the cell surface adhesion glycoprotein CD44. CD44 is a receptor for the branched polysaccharide hyaluronan. The same glycoprotein receptors, CD44, are expressed on the endometrium. CD44 receptors are found in the endometrium exclusively during the receptive phase. Hyaluronan is naturally present in the uterus secretion and externally provided by EmbryoGlue. The endogenous synthesis of hyaluronan is dramatically increased as the implantation initiates and is already decreased to almost basal levels by the next day. This indicates hyaluronan's importance in the initial phase of the implantation process. The proposed effect of hyaluronan is to link the CD44 molecules of the embryo and the endometrium together, and thereby tighten the contact between the two. Once the embryo has found a suitable place to settle, the invasive part of implantation can begin.